What's going on, everyone? You're watching Emeroy TV, the place to move, groove, and grow. And today is Biz Tuesday. That means I'm sharing with you guys social media marketing tips to help you grow your brand, small business, tech startup, whatever the heck it is. Today we're actually going to dial it back to all the way to step one. So let's jump right to it. Alright guys, so we're going to start from the very beginning, starting all the way from starting your Facebook page first, creating it before we even go into posting strategies, distribution, advertising, and anything. Before any of that, obviously you need a Facebook page. So anyways, heading on over here, and bear with me guys, it's been a while since I've actually created a Facebook page from scratch, and I'm not only going to be sharing with you guys how to do it on the desktop, I'll be showing you guys how to do it on mobile as well. So here, click on this little drop down right here, go on to create page, boom. It's up to you if you're going to be like a personal brand or a brick and mortar. So let's say we're brick and mortar. Page name, I'm just going to put test. Category, let's see what categories they have. This is so much different. Okay, so let's say we are a e-commerce website. Continue. Boom. Already goes into the whole thing being created. So obviously here, upload photo like any regular Facebook page. It's the whole news feed and everything. The main page is very different from the usual Facebook profile. I'm just gonna use some photo I have. I'll just use this. Boom, add the cover. Just do that. Take and do whatever you want. This is just all the test right now. And here, once that's saved, you can add a cover. You can use a video to promote on there. So I'm not gonna upload a video or upload a photo, but I'll show you an example of what one of our clients is doing. Festi. Okay, it's right here. It's showing a demonstration of what their product does immediately. It's great real estate to share what your mission is right off the bat. It definitely captures the attention a lot more compared to just an image. So there's a lot of basic info that's missing here. I'm just gonna skip the cover photo. That's super obvious what you need to do there. Okay, what you want to go to is about. That's where you put all the information that you want to do. If you want to change it from an e-commerce website, it can be something else, shopping, retail. And you can create a custom username. I'm just gonna skip all that. When it comes to creating usernames, you want to try to keep it consistent throughout a lot of social platforms. If you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, all of it is Emeroy B. So you can pick whatever you want for that. I'm gonna skip over that because it's all just a test page. Edit start date, when your company started. Just enter all the basic information about your company here, or your personal brand. So what your mission is, you have a mission statement, your phone number, all the basic info. Fill it out there. And this is where I think keywords can be pretty advantageous when it comes to setting up their profiles, because like I mentioned earlier with the advantages of SEO, it helps when people search for you online. If your topic is something about breakdancing and one of the search terms is how to breakdance for beginners, which is one of the keywords I rank in, it would just make sense to add that into your Facebook page as well. I'm not saying you have to, but I think it really does help in terms of ranking. So this is where you would leverage some of the keywords you researched, particularly in the impressum, I'm not sure if I'm going to say that right, the impressum, the mission, whatever it is that allows you to talk a little bit more than just your email or your website. That's where you enter the basic information. Notifications, obviously where you get it. So we're going to go into the insights and the publishing tools a little later in the course, but yeah, I think that's the basic stuff. And then there's the community tab if you want to start building a community around your page. So that means if you have a group that you've already created in your Facebook page and in your Facebook profile, you can link your Facebook page to the group that you're an admin of. So I can link this up to the review exchanges or 30-day challenges or whatever I have, and then boom, it'll link, and you'll be able to link up everything from there and just start moderating, just like everything you need to do. So here, link. Let's do a quick demo. Let's see. Here, we're talking about hip hop. Link it, and then you will have This will be the main group. Boom. And then you can go in there and just obviously start interacting as your Facebook page. So that's that for the communities and groups page. I'm gonna leave this. Let's see. Then I'm just gonna unlink the group because this is a test. You can start inviting your friends and family the minute you feel like everything is set up. We'll go into a little bit more about getting your first likes in the distribution section of the course. I think that's it. This is fairly straightforward in creating it. If you guys got any questions, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video.